Hello friends, today we're going to learn how to make this origami crane. So let's get started. We'll start with a square paper. Now along its diagonal we'll make a crease. Now open the paper, rotate it 90 degrees and then along the second diagonal make a crease. Now again open it up, flip it and then make a crease along its center. Fold one edge to the second edge. Now open it back, again rotate it 90 degrees and then repeat the same fold along the center of the paper. Now open your paper, it has all the basic crease required. And now we'll get started with the folding. Push all the corners towards a single point and you will be left with a square shape. This is also called a square origami base. Now fold the one side of the paper towards the center. Make a nice crease. Do the same on the other side as well. And then take the top and fold it along the lines that is shown in the video. Make sure to create nice creases and then open it one step. From here we'll take the reference of the creases that we already created and try to lift the paper and fold it as shown in the video. It might seem a bit difficult in the starting, but you will be able to get it done with more practice. Now you flip the paper over and repeat the same steps as we had done before. So we'll start with folding paper inside towards the center. Then the other side. And the top part. Again we'll open up and make the folds along the creases that we already made. From here you will see there are two legs kind of thing on the bottom. Then take one side and fold it again to the center. We have to repeat the same on all the four sides. So we see two flaps here which will become the wings, and from bottom we will be able to make its neck as well as its tail. So fold the first side towards the top just to make the crease, then fold it back down and then try to fold from inside the body. While doing so, you just reverse all the folds that were done on the neck. Similar fold we'll do for the back side as well. Adjust the fold as needed, and then we'll make its beak. For this also, just make a crease initially and then fold it from the inside. Now your origami crane is ready. You just need to open up the wings like this. And then slightly open the base so that it stands on its own on the ground. Enjoy origami. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button.